Pastel pink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed?
What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make crispy cream puffs with a ginger honey pastry cream. First, let's start with the pastry cream. Start by measuring out your ingredients and putting them aside. Next, you need to set up a baking pan or a sheet tray with film or plastic wrap. This is important because you will need to cool the cream immediately, which I will explain later in the video. Alright, let's get started. First, pastry cream. In a medium saucepan, add in the milk, then the sugar. Give it a nice stir to combine. Place it over medium heat. Be careful not to boil because it will overflow and get everywhere. Not a fun thing to clean. Add your chunks of ginger. Depending on how potent you like, you can add this in with the milk and the sugar. You want this to come to a rolling simmer, but not a boil. Now cover and let the mix seep for 30 minutes. When your milk mix is ready, you want to mix your eggs, your egg yolks, and sugar together in a medium mixing bowl. Using a whisk, mix until combined. Now add the cornstarch all at once. You need to mix until well combined, making sure to scrape the sides, removing excess cornstarch. This is the consistency you're looking for. Now you want to add your honey. Then you have to mix again. I used raw honey, so it's a bit chunkier, but any honey works. Now roll up a damp towel, make a circle, and place the bowl over the towel. The towel will keep your bowl in place. Using a strainer, pour the milk mix slowly over the egg mix. Make sure to continuously whisk, or this can become scrambled eggs. This step is called tempering. Pour your mix back into the saucepan. Put it over medium heat. Using a spatula, you want to mix until it becomes thick. Remember to scrape all the sides, for those will thicken first. You don't want your mix to boil. Once it becomes thick, remove from heat and put in your butter. Mix until all the butter has melted and become one with the cream. Now you want to pour the cream into the pan lined with plastic wrap. This will stop the cream from cooking any further. When wrapping, you want to remove any air bubbles, like so. Apply a second layer to cover and chill for 4 to 5 hours. Let's work on the crunchy top. Start by creaming the butter and sugar together. If you don't have a standard mixer, a hand mixer will work just fine. Add the salt and the flour. Mix on medium speed just until it becomes a crumble. You can make this any color you like. First, dust your work surface with some flour. Place the mix onto the floured surface and add the desired color. I like using a gel food coloring. You knead it together until combined. Place the craquelin in between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Roll until 1/4 of an inch. Use a cookie cutter to cut the desired size. Refrigerate until ready to use. Last but not least, the Pâte Choux airy puffs. In a saucepan, pour in your liquids. Now add the butter. Give it a nice mix. Add the honey and give it another mix. Once the butter is all melted, add the flour. Using a wooden spoon, combine until it becomes a ball or starts to pull away from the edges. Put the hot dough into the mixing bowl and beat on medium speed. If you don't have a standard mixer, you can keep it in the pot and mix by hand. You just want to mix until the dough is warm. On slow speed, add in your eggs one at a time. Make sure the eggs are combined before adding the next. It will look separated at first, but mix it for a bit until it comes together. This is the texture you want. Making a cup with your hand, fold open your pastry bag like this. Scoop in your choux mix, tie it closed. Now it's time to put it all together. Put some dough on the corners like this. Then place a sheet of parchment paper over it. Using a 807 round tip, pipe your desired sizes, leaving 3 inches in between each one. Take the cut crackling discs and place them on top like this. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes, then lower the temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for another 3 to 5 minutes. Try not to open the oven, it will deflate the puffs. Let them cool for 10 minutes before filling. Now it's time to fill them up. In a medium mixing bowl, place the chilled pastry cream. Using a whisk, break it up. Then mix until it becomes smooth. Put them into pastry bags, like this. Now you're ready to fill your choux pastries. First, poke a hole. Insert the tip of your bag into the hole and pipe. Once the filling starts pushing back, it's full. And that's it! Now you have a perfectly full, crispy cream puff. The recipe can be found in the description box below. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, or you can share it with your friends. Feel free to comment or subscribe if you haven't already. I am Bon Appetit, and I'll see you in the next one.